What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, True John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries. Mega love shout out mga kapamilya. We are back for a reaction video for ASAP natin to, and this is for the performance of the Voice Kids Top 2, Darren Espanto and Laika Gairanod. If I pronounce it correctly. Yes, dahil meron silang reunion performance sa ASAP this Sunday at ito na nga ang kanilang performance. But before proceed guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is guys. Oh my God! Ang tagal na nung huli sila nagsama sa stage. Ay, power ballad. Pogi na. Naku, pardagulan to. Iba din ang hagod ng isang Darren Espanto, guys. At ang pogi, ang syarap. Parang pa Eric Santos siya doon. Kaya na kasing gayahin si Eric. Love the outfit too. The thin notes. Grabe, atake agad ang isang Darren. Ang tagal na rin nung nandito si Laika, no? Ay, magkaiba. Magkaiba ba ng kanta? Oh. Iba na rin talaga ang Laika. She still have that champion vibe in her. Parang live ba to guys? Parang lip sync pero feeling ko live to no kasi ASAP eh. Grabe. Ano na din siya, no? Dalagang-dalaga na, guys. Nung syempre nag-champion siya, sobrang liit niya lang noon. But ngayon, she's a grown lady. Hey! Oh! Wow! Oh my God! Binanatan tayo na isang Laika. Syempre, she will claim that I am the champion of that season, Darren. Pero nakita niyo yung height nila. Ganun pa din. Balikan natin. Ang ganda nung atake na yun. Ganda. Sustained notes. Go, Laika. Oh, she nailed that. Let's go back to that. Ganda ng switching. Very smooth. She is giving it all, claiming her spot. I'm still the champion. Oh my God. Of course, Darren is so good, but definitely, of course, Laika has evolved as a music artist as well. Ganda ng switching niya, guys. Very smooth transition. Atake. Oh my God! Syempre, babanat si Darren. Tignan natin. Oh, counterparts. Oh my God, I love it. Counterpart. Balikan natin, guys. I love it. Hirap niyan, counterpart duet. Binabanatan din ni Darin. Wow, grabe yung birit ni Laika, guys. At syempre yung atake din ni Darren. Balikan ka natin. Kabog, Darren. Oh my God! Oh! What? Oh, yes! Oh my God, that's how you do the duet. The Voice Kids Top 2. There you have it, guys. That is Darren and Laika, the Voice Kids Top 2 duet. Grabe yun. They claim na the best The Voice Kids generation ay silang dalawa of all the seasons in the Philippines. Diba nakita nyo naman how they grown as a music artist at ngayon they are certified OPM music artists and they have their own mark, their own style, and I love that counterpart duet, guys. What can you say about that? Sa mga attacking notes, the high notes, the transition, and the arrangement was so good. I love that counterpart. Sobra. Ang hirap din ang ginagawa ni Laika doon, guys, kasi Darren is the melody and then nagka-counterpart si Laika with the high notes and then narito ako yung kinakanta niya. Tapos si Darren with his own song. Grabe, goosebumps, guys. I'm so happy that I reacted ASAP for today. At syempre, because, ASAP is back on Channel 2 in All TV. Kaya naman supportahan natin yung mga kapamilya. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ating reaction for today. And if you want more, you can always comment down below. And of course, like our video and subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.